So hello guys, here today we are going to talk about what is data structures. I'm going to talk about three data structures today, which is a list and a tuple and a dictionaries. So first we are going to start what is a list. So list is a collection of data which is mutable and changeable. So here how we going to define a list. So I just give the list name here, an open bracket, and I give the some integer value, and also I give some string value, and also a float value. So now we are going to see how we can print this list. So I'm going to print this list in my list. So when we run this one, so you can see here the list will be printed here. So what if I want to print only this string value, only theta? So how we can access this value? So in a list, we are index this is a 0 value, and this is a first value, second value, likewise. So for example, like this. So this is a 0, and this is 1, 2, and this is a 3, and this is a fourth value. So here I'm going to access in the index number 3, which is I want to print this value. So I just give the number 3. So if I save this one and I run this one. So you can see here the name will be printed. So that's how we can access the element in the list. So now we are going to talk about how to add some value to this list. So I'm going to mention the list, and I just use a keyword as append, and which value I want to access, open parenthesis, and which value I want to add this list. So I just type here as a text. So if I save this one now and run this, you can hear so you have to print this list, right? I just type print and my list. So now you can see here there will be text is also added to the my list. So that's how we can add value to the list. So now we are going to see how we can remove the value. So just an example, I want to remove this cheetah. So I'm just going to type my list dot remove the value name cheetah. Right, if I print this list again, so it will remove cheetah and it will add the text to this list. So if run this one, so you can see here cheetah will be removed in here and a text also added. So that's how we can easily add the value and remove value and access index in the list. Access the index in the list. So now we are going to see how to define a tuple. So my tuple, in the tuple we are using open parentheses. So then I pass the value. So 1, 2, 3, and also I give some string value, and also I give some float value. So here is my tuple. What is a tuple? Tuple is also the same as a list, but it is immutable and unchangeable. So we cannot add anything to here, and we cannot remove also. Only we can do with tuple, we can access the value. Here is the same format. This one is a 0 index, and this is a 1 index, and this is a 2 index, and this is 3 index, and this is 4th index. So here how we can define the tuple. So now I'm just going to print my tuple, and I want to access index number 0. So if I run this one now, you can see the answer is 1 because this is a 0 value. So you can see it will go likewise, like this, 2 and 3 and 4. right? You can see the tuple I can access index by using this way. So here we are going to see how we can define a dictionaries now. So I'm going to define a dictionary. Then dictionary name is person, and so open curly braces. And also in dictionary we have to give the key and a value. So here I just give a key as a name and a value as the what is the name? Its name. So and I give a key as age and also the value as age. So I just have to add the comma. So this is how we can easily define the dictionary. So now how we can access the dictionary value. So I just type a print and I want to access the name. So I just type this dictionary name and I want to access the value. So I just have to pass the key here. I access this key and key will be is equal to this cheetah. So if I run this one, so you can see here it will print the value of this key element. So here how we can access the dictionary data. So now we are going to see how we can update the value and also how we can remove the value. So I want to update this age is 25 as 26, and I just add one more key element which is city, and I just give as a Colombo. So now I want to update the age as 26. Here how we going to do this. So in the person age, I'm gonna equal this age as 26. So if I now print this person dictionary, so if I run this one now, you can see here it will change age as 26. So how we can remove value? I want to remove this city from here. So to remove, we are using a keyword called pop. So the person dot pop, and you have to give the which key we want to remove. Which key we want to remove? Like I give here city. I will give here as a city. So now we are run this one. So you can see the city will removed by this dictionary. So that's how the basic operations work with the dictionary. So now I'm going to talk about the what is a nested list. Nested data structure. First we are going to see what is the nested list. So here is my nested list. I just give numbers and open bracket, and inside this open bracket I will open another list. So in this way I can open another list 2, 3 and 4. So and also I will open another one 4, 6, and I will open another one 2, 8, 9. So here is a nested list. So how we can access the data from it? Here I will tell you. This first one is a main 0, and this is a main 1, and this is a main 2, right? So now inside of this main 0 list we have 3 index. So they have a 0, and this is 1, and this is 2, right? Same other also. This is 1. No, this is 0, and this is 1, and this is 2. As it is, this is 0, 1 and 2. How we access a value? I want to access a value this 6. So I'm going to print, and I want to access this number value inside of the first index and inside of the first index, in the that index will be a second. So now here I am going to save this one, and if I run this one, you can see the number will be printed here, the 6. So that's how easily we can access a value from a nested data structure list. So now we are going to talk about the nested dictionaries. So I'm going to mention the dictionary here. So I just add people is equal curly braces, and I just give the name as person1, and I open the dictionary, and I just give the name is key value, and name is Jita. So, and also I give the age, and age is 25. So this is the first dictionary, first sub dictionary. So now I am mentioning the second dictionary, person 2, and this is also going with the same value. I'm going to define same keys. I'm going to define the value. I just put a comma here, and I just make it as a Leo, and this one I make it as a 24. So this is a nested dictionary. So how we can access the data from here? I want to access person to name. So here I just type print, and I want to access people. Inside of people I want to access person 2, and inside of person 2 I want to access the name. So here is a basic way you can access this Leo value. So if I save this one and run this one, you can see the output will be a Leo. So I just clear the terminal. Now we are going to talk about the mixing data structure. Here I am gonna mix every data structures like list, tuple, and dictionary what we learned so far. So now I just give a data equal, and this is a dictionary, right? So inside the dictionary they have a name list. So I just add the names as first I am at the Alice and Leo and Cheetah. So this is a list of a name. I just mentioned a tuple of a age now, right? Just age. I just have to put comma in here. So this is a tuple. Now we are going to open parentheses, and I just do the age as 24, 25, and 28. So here is the age, and now I am going. So now I am going to mention a dictionary. The dictionary name is details, and I just open curly braces, and I want to give the 3 details about this. So first I am going to give Alice and the city of the Alice. So I just give a key value as city, and Alice city is Colombia. And also I just open name for the cheetah also, dictionary as a cheetah, and open curly braces, right? And now same value, same key value, and now the city is Nigambu. So here is a mixing data structure. You can see here dictionaries and list, and also tuples and nested dictionaries likewise. So how we can print the cities now? So I want to print the cheetah city. So here we go. We just type print, and we want to print inside the data and details, and inside the details we want to print cheetah, and we want to print a city. So if I run this one now, you can see here the city will Nigambu. So that's how easily we can access the data within a mixed data structure. So that's all for today's video, which is a data structure. So next video we are going to talk about the double OP concept. So see you guys in the next video. Subscribe my channel and like the video, and a comment down below if you have any doubt. So see you guys in the next video.